Hello my YouTube friends, Dave Wilson here. Just wanted to show you a couple things I've been working on. I've really gotten into these HueForge, I guess front facing lithophanes. So I just keep experimenting with them, and I realized the first ones I made, I had a big problem. I forgot I had a 0.6 nozzle in my printer, and so it just wasn't coming out very well. So I figured out when it jammed and I had to take it apart. So I switched it with a 0.4, which is what it's supposed to be. And I think the quality has come out a lot better. But these are some interesting forest scenes. It was originally designed for the blue palette, and I went ahead and tried some green. I think it came out pretty well. Then here's some cats. It was, again, with the blue. I tried some white versions and it didn't come out quite as well. The owls are coming up pretty well, and a horse and some dogs and a lot of hummingbirds. Then the other thing I've been working on is I got the laser engraver cutter to work, and so I made a chest. This is just taped together to hold it together. I'm going to stain it, but it cut all these pieces out, did finger joints and all the different pieces. So I'm going to stain this and glue it together. And then my brother wanted some gloves with the Marine Corps logo on them, or emblem. So I did that, and it's a little hard to do because it's difficult to tell where the laser is actually going to engrave at. So I got close, but keep trying it. But that's all I've been working on, and so if you have any questions or comments, I appreciate it. Thank you.